Sydney Commercial Kitchens for a rapid response to your inquiry and professional advice from our trained chefs.
The Dynamic Manual Salad Spinners is made of high-quality resin plastic and are available in two sizes, 2.5 gallon and 5 gallon. We also manufacture a 5 gallon electric version. The patented gear system, manufactured through a special formulated process, can easily be removed for cleaning or replacing. After washing your lettuce, place the wet lettuce in the inner basket. Spin the handle until you see that there is no additional water extracting from the lower drain tube. Make sure to never forcefully stop the handle. The salad spinner is easy to clean. Wash thoroughly with warm water and a mild detergent and wipe to dry. Periodically remove the gear components and clean in a similar fashion. Dry lettuce lasts longer, improves plate presentation, minimizes dressing, and lowers overall food costs. Salad Spinners, another quality food service product brought to you by the innovators at Dynamic International.
To find out more about this product, call Sydney Commercial Kitchens on 1300 88 1119 and speak to our trained sales specialists, or click the info link above to see more information. Thanks for watching.